No, I'm gonna be walking. I'm gonna be like, are you taping already?
Dinosaur eggs. Yes. You should kick one. Ew. What the fuck is that?
Yolk.
Yolk.
I think I can smell it.
Let's hop out of here.
It's on my Makaboo.
Let's bounce.
I got dinosaur fetus on my Makaboo.
Fetus. How did we get in here? That way?
I don't even know anymore.
Yep, I remember that stick. Let's go this way.
You just remember a stick.
Yeah, because it's one of them funny shaping ones that looks like a stick.
Holy poop! Look at this pokey tree!
What?
Look at this tree!
Oh!
Don't fall, Tina. Look at this.
Whoa. That shit will stab the fuck out of you.
Shit's dangerous.